Good morning, students. So in previous video we are discussing about part D question, that is question number 39 to 48. So yesterday we are discussing about question number 42, that is belongs to second order derivatives. That is 5 mark question. Totally 10 to 12 questions. You must practice all those things. It will get one question. They may be asking one question in final exam. Okay, so next today we will discuss question number 43, belongs to under which topic, that is applications of differentiation. In applications of differentiation, first type, that is derivative of rate measure. 43rd question ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, rate measure ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 5 mark question. So there are that is 5 to 6 important varieties of problems in question number 43. You must practice all those things. Okay, now here question number 43 belongs to rate measure. Now here first problem, that is 5 mark question in 43 question. The question is like this: a stone is dropped into a quiet lake and waves move in a circle at the speed of 5 centimeters per second. At the instant when the radius of the circular wave is 8 centimeters. Now the question, how fast is the enclosed area increasing? How fast means find the rate at which the area increases. Okay, now here before solving the problem you must know some basic formula for solid figures. Namely, what is area of circle? Area of circle formula you know. What is that? Pi r square. Then circumference of circle formula 2 pi r. Then that is length and breadth of a rectangle denoted by x and y. Then perimeter of the rectangle is 2 times L plus B. Then area of rectangle is length into breadth. Okay, so these are the some important formula. Now here the question, a stone is dropped into a quiet lake. One stone and now pond alle ogadaga waves are formed. It is in the form of circle at the speed of 5 centimeters per second. Now here how to solve? Now let A be the area of circle. Area of circle denoted by A. Okay, area of circle A anta tagolom. Therefore you know the formula. What is that area of circle formula? Pi r square, where r is the radius. Now according to the question, given data ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ ನೋಡಿ, a stone is dropped into a quiet lake, waves moves in a circle at the speed of 5 centimeters per second. ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ? Radius is given, at the speed, at the rate denoted by d by dt of speed means radius. How much? 5 centimeters per second. Now the question, how fast is nothing but find the rate denoted by d by dt of what? Enclosed area. To calculate dA by dt, when yavaga radius become how much? 8 centimeters. ಒಂದು ಅದರ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ಸು 8 centimeters ಇದ್ದಾಗ what is its enclosed area? We have to calculate dA by dt. Now differentiate equation 1 with respect to t. Derivative of A with respect to different variable t, dA by dt is equal to pi constant, derivative of r square is 2r, with respect to t dr by dt. Now that is dA by dt is equal to pi to r value given 8. Then dr by dt is given how much? 5. So 5 8s are 40 into 2, 80 pi, measurement of units square centimeter per second. That is the answer. So question number 43 belongs to mark is 5 mark, belongs to under rate measure. Okay, that is 5 mark question. Very simple problem, students. You must practice it. Okay, Whereas another problem based on circle, the radius of circle is increasing uniformly at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. Now the question, find the rate at which the area of circle is increasing when the radius is 10 centimeter. To calculate again area of circle, you know the formula. Let A be the area of circle. Area of circle denoted by A. Okay, let A be the area of circle. Therefore, what is the formula for area of circle? Pi r square, right? Now, given data, ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? The radius of circle is increasing uniformly at the rate denoted by d by dt of what? Radius. How much? 3 centimeter per second. Okay, now the question, find the rate denoted by d by dt of what? Rate at which the area of circle, to calculate dA by dt, when the radius is how much? 10 centimeter. The radius 10 centimeter iddaga, what is its area of circle? Now what can you do? Differentiate equation 1 with respect to t. Derivative of A with respect to t, different variable t, that is dA by dt is equal to pi constant, derivative of r square, derivative of x square, 2x, here 2r, but with respect to different variable t, into dr by dt. Substituting the value, pi 2, r value given, that is 10, and dr by dt is also given, dr by dt is 3. How much? 10 into 3, 30 into 2, 60 pi, measurement of inches, square centimeter per second. Okay students, that is 5 mark question. Now these two problems belongs to circle concept ಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ problem. Okay, that is 5 mark question, rate measure problem. Now here the question, the length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute and the width y is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. When x is equal to 8 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter, now the question, find the rate of change of, first one, the perimeter of the rectangle and the rate of change of area of rectangle. Now here this is rectangle. Okay, the length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute and the width y is increasing. Let x and y be the length and width of the rectangle. Now here given data, let to calculate, find the rate of change of perimeter. Let P denote the perimeter. Okay, perimeter P anta ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, and A be the area of rectangle. Therefore, what is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? 2 times length and breadth, that is 2 times length x, width y, 2 times x plus y, that is same as 2x plus 2y. This is equation 1. And A be the area of rectangle formula, length into breadth, length is x, breadth is y. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕು, ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೆದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್, ಟೋಟಲಿ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಗಿವನ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಗಿವನ್ the length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate denoted by d by dt of what? Length x. is decreasing. If it is decreasing, we take the sign negative sign. Minus 5 centimeter per minute. Don't take positive. If it is decreases, its value is negative. If it is increases, its value is positive. So dx by dt is minus 5 centimeter. ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? minus 5 minus sign. And the width y is increasing at the rate dy by dt is increases plus 4 centimeter per minute. When x is equal to 8 centimeter, when x is equal to 8 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter, now find number 1 rate of change of denoted by d by dt of what? Perimeter p. Second one, rate of change of area. To find dp by dt and dA by dt. Okay. Okay. Now first dp by dt find out model. Now differentiate equation 1 with respect to t. Derivative of p with respect to different variable t. dp by dt is equal to, differentiate ಮಾಡಿ, 2 constant, x is variable, constant term as it is, derivative of x with respect to not x with respect to t ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? dx by dt plus 2 constant, derivative of y with respect to t, dy by dt, right? Now that is equal to 2, but dx by dt value given how much? minus 5 plus 2, dy by dt value plus 4. Simplify, minus 10, 2 4s are 8, how much? minus 2 centimeter. So rate of change of perimeter of the rectangle is minus 2 centimeter per minute. Okay, then to calculate area of rectangle, differentiate equation 2 with respect to t. Derivative of a with respect to t, dA by dt is equal to derivative of x into y, both are variable. Apply which rule? Product rule. Product of two functions, u into v rule. What is the rule? u as it is, u andre yavadu? X as it is, into derivative of v means derivative of y with respect to different variable t, dy by dt, plus second function v as it is, v means y as it is, into derivative of u, u andre yavadu? X, derivative of x with respect to t, dx by dt. Substituting the value, x value is given 8, dy by dt value is 4 plus y value 6 into dx by dt value minus 5. So 8 4s are 32 plus into minus minus 6 5s are 30. 32 minus 32, measurement of units square centimeter per minute. Therefore rate of change of area of rectangle is 2 square centimeter per minute, whereas rate of change of perimeter of the rectangle is minus 2 centimeter per minute. Okay, that is most important problem. Practice ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ತುಂಬಾ easy ಇದೆ students. Okay, next problem. A ladder 5 meter long is leaning against a wall. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. Here meter, this is centimeter. Now the question, how fast is its height of the wall decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 meter away from the wall? Nori, find how fast is the height of the wall decreasing. If it is decreases, answer must be negative sign. Look here. Now this is wall, this is ground, this is horizontal line, this is vertical line, this is horizon. Now this is the ladder. Let AB is the ladder. AB is the ladder. Its length ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಇದರ length, this is a ladder. Its length is 5 meter. Okay. Now here let x be the distance of the lower end, y be the distance of the upper end. X be the distance of the lower end, y be the distance of the upper end. Now here let AB be the ladder. AB be the ladder. Its length is, that is given, how much? 5 meter. Let x be the distance of the lower end. Distance of lower end. And y be the distance of the upper end. Okay? Now from the figure we observe that clearly it is right angle triangle, isn't it? By using Pythagoras theorem, from the figure we have OA square plus OB square is equal to AB square, correct? The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides, right? OA is nothing but x square plus y square. AB length is 5 meter, that is 5 square, or x square plus y square is equal to 25, right? Now given data ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ನೋಡಿ. A ladder 5 meter long rests with its ends on a horizontal floor against smooth vertical wall. If the lower end is moved away from the wall at the rate of 2 centimeter, ಇದು ಯಾವುದಿದು? lower end, that is bottom of the ladder, means lower end is away from the wall at the rate of 2 centimeter. Lower end denoted by x, that is dt by dx. D by dt of x is equal to 2 centimeter. But here ladder length is meter, but given centimeter, to convert centimeter into meter, that is equal to 0.02 meter. Correct? A centimeter is the meter convert ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. Now the question is, how fast is the, means find the rate denoted by d by dt. How fast is nothing but find the rate. Height of the wall decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 meter away from the wall. Find the height of the wall, andre yavadu? Y. To calculate dy by dt, when the lower end is, when the foot of the ladder distance is x, when x is equal to 4 meter away from the wall. ಈ end point ಅನ್ನ, lower end point ಅನ್ನ 4 meter ಈ ಕಡೆ ನಾವು ಎಳೆದಾಗ, what is the height of the wall, ladder? Okay, to calculate dy by dt. Okay, now here equation 1 gives x square plus y square, but x value given, that is 4 square plus y square is equal to 25. Okay, so simplify. Y square is equal to 25 plus 4 square goes to right side, minus 4 square, that is 16. 25 minus 16 is 9. Therefore y is equal to square root of 9 is 3. Now to calculate dy by dt, so what can you do? Differentiate. So differentiate equation 1 with respect to t. Okay, differentiate. Derivative of x square, you know, 2x with respect to t, dx by dt, plus derivative of y square, 2y with respect to t, dy by dt is equal to derivative of 25 constant, that is 0, or 2 common, x dx by dt plus y into dy by dt is equal to 0. Okay, substituting the value. X value is 4 meter, dx by dt is 0.02 meter. Don't take 2 centimeter, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀಟರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ, ಇದು ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಮೀಟರ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಹೌದಾ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 3 ಇಂಟು dy by dt is equal to 0. 4 into 0.2, that is 0.08 plus 3 dy by dt is equal to 0, or 3 into dy by dt is equal to, that term goes to right side, minus 0.08. So dy by dt is equal to divide by 3 minus 0.08 divided by 3 meter per second. Second that is meter. So the upper end moves when the lower end is 4 meter away from the wall. It is minus 0.08 by 3 meter. So height of the wall is minus 0.08 by 3 meter. Negative sign indicate it is decreases. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮೀಟರ್ದೊಳಗಿದೆ 2 ಮೀಟರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, 1 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇದ್ದದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಮೀಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ? ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, that is ladder problem. Look here, that is fifth one. A ladder 24 feet long rests with its ends on a horizontal floor and against a smooth vertical wall. If the lower end is moves away from the wall at the rate of 3 feet per second, find the rate at which the upper end moves when the lower end is 8 feet from the wall. Similar to previous problem. Same problem. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಮೀಟರ್ದಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು, ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೀಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅಗೇನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಲ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್, this is ladder, AB is the ladder, this is the ladder, its length is 24 feet. Let x denote distance of the lower end, y denote distance of the upper end. Now here let AB be the ladder, x be the distance of the lower end, distance of the lower end, and y be the distance of the upper end. X denote lower end, y denote upper end. Now from the figure we observe that we have clearly it is right angle triangle. Again apply Pythagoras concept. What is that? OA square plus OB square is equal to AB square. OA is the distance x, x square. OB distance y, y square. AB distance 24 square, that is x square plus y square is equal to 24 square. I think 576, correct alla? 24 into 24. Yes, 576. Call it as equation 1. Now according to the question, given data, ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ? A ladder 24 feet long rests with its ends on a horizontal floor and against a smooth vertical wall. If the lower end denoted by x, is moves away from the wall at the rate denoted by d by dt of what? Lower end. That is dx by dt is given how much? 3 feet per second. Now the question, find the rate. To find the rate denoted by d by dt of what? Upper end. That is to calculate dy by dt. Upper end is denoted by y. When, yavagri? Lower end, when x is equal to 8 feet from the wall. To calculate dy by dt. Again, what can you do? Differentiate. So differentiate equation 1 with respect to t. Derivative of x square with respect to different variable t, that is dx by dt. Derivative of y square with respect to different variable t, 2y into dy by dt. Derivative of 576, it is constant number, that is 0. Or 2 common, x into dx by dt plus y into dy by dt is equal to 0. Right? Now equation 1 gives, therefore equation 1 gives, from equation 1 x square plus y square, but the value of x is 8. 8 square plus y square is equal to 576. Rearrange y square is equal to 576 plus 8 square goes to right side minus 8 square, but 8 square value 64. So y square is equal to less ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 512. Therefore y is equal to under root of 512. Again split of the number 512, we can write 256 into 2 ಬರಿಬೋದಲ್ಲ 256 2s 512, but the square root of 256 is 16 root 2. We got y value. Now to calculate dy by dt, so put that value in equation 2. Therefore equation 2 gives x into dx by dt. X value is 8, dx by dt is given 3 plus y value 16 root 2 into dy by dt is equal to 0. 8 3s are 24 plus 16 root 2 into dy by dt is equal to 0. Rearrange. This implies 16 root 2 dy by dt is equal to plus 24 goes to right side minus 24. So divide by 16 root 2, dy by dt is equal to minus 24 divided by 16 root 2, that is minus 8 3s are 8 2s are minus 3 by 2 root 2, that is minus 3 by 2 root 2. Therefore dy by dt is equal to minus 3 by, that is 8 3s are 8 2s are 2 root 2 feet per second. So find the rate at which the upper end moves when the lower end is 8 feet from the wall. 8 feet ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು lower end ಅನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ನಾವು ಎಳೆದಾಗ the upper end towards negative direction of y-axis. So answer is negative sign because the upper end moves towards negative direction. So dy by dt upper end is minus 3 by 2 root 2 feet per second. ಓಕೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಲ್ಯಾಡರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು ಫೀಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಮೀಟರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಅದನ್ನು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಒಂದೇ ಯೂನಿಟಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ? ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ನೆಸಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಫೀಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇದೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ this is another problem for ladder problem. Okay, a man of height 2 meters walks at uniform speed of 5 kilometer per hour away from a lamp post which is 6 meter high. Find the rate at which the length of his shadow increases. The length of his shadow increases. Look here. Now here AB is the lamp post, Deepada Kamba. Its height is 6 meter. MN is the man. Man height is 2 meter. Okay. Anyway, a man of height 2 meter walks at a uniform speed of 5 kilometer away from the lamp post. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆ 5 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ, ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಆ ಲೈಟಿನ ಬೆಳಕು ಅವನ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರ ಶ್ಯಾಡೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಶ್ಯಾಡೋ, ಎಮ್ ಸಿ ಈಸ್ ದ ಶ್ಯಾಡೋ. ನಾವು ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ 6 meter ಹೈ ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ರೇಟ್ ಆಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ದ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಈ ಶ್ಯಾಡೋ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಈ ಶ್ಯಾಡೋ, ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ರೇಟ್. ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಿ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್, y is its shadow. AB, MN is the man, AB is the lamp post. Now how to solve this? Now here there are 2 triangles, namely ABC, one triangle, another triangle MNC. Now this angle you call it as say in general theta. Now here from the figure, from the triangle, if you take first triangle, yaudu BAC. BAC angle A is 90 degree. Clearly it is right angle triangle. Now tan theta is equal to, definition of tan, opposite side divided by adjacent side. Okay, in this triangle ABC, which one is opposite side? Opposite side yavudu idralle AB, correct? Divided by adjacent side is AC. But AB is the lamp post, its height is 6 meter, divided by AC can be written as AM plus MC. Baribodala? That is tan theta is equal to 6 meter divided by AM length X plus MC length is Y. Call it as equation 1. This is one triangle. Another triangle also from the triangle, another triangle yavudiದೆ ನೋಡಿ, MNC or NMC. NMC. Again tan theta is equal to this triangle, right angle triangle. Definition of tan: opposite side divided by adjacent side. What is opposite side? AM, that is sorry MN, divided by adjacent side is MC, right? Okay. Now tan theta is equal to MN is the man 2, MC is Y, called as equation 2. Now therefore from 1 and 2, it follows that, observe it, in equation 1 tan theta is equal to 6 by x plus y, equation 2 tan theta is equal to 2 by y, so LHS part same. Now it follows that 6 divided by x plus y is equal to 2 divided by y, right? Cross multiply. This implies 2x plus 2y is equal to 6y, correct? Or 2x is equal to 6y plus 2y goes to right side minus 2y. So 2x is equal to 4y or x is equal to 2y. X is equal to 2y. Call it as equation 3. Okay. Now the question is, find the rate at which the length of his shadow. Now given dx by dt is given, how much? 5 kilometer per hour. To find dy by dt, length, find the rate at which the length of his shadow. Y is its shadow, x is the uniform speed kilometer is 5 kilometer. So differentiate equation 3 with respect to t. Differentiate. Derivative of x with respect to t, dx by dt is equal to 2 into derivative of y with respect to t, dy by dt. Therefore this implies, but dx by dt value 5 kilometer is equal to 2 into dy by dt. Therefore dy by dt is equal to 5 divided by 2, that is 2.5. So dy by dt is equal to 2.5 kilometer per hour, correct? 2.5 kilometer per hour. This is the find the rate at which the length of his shadow is 2.5 kilometer per hour. 5 mark question, students. Okay. A particle moves along the curve 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Find the points on the curve at which the y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinate. Now to find out the points, now here given data, find the points on the curve. Now here given 6y is equal to one curve given, x cube plus 2. Okay. Then find the points on the curve at which y coordinate, at denoted by d by dt of what? Y coordinate. dy by dt is changing 8 times as fast at the rate of, as fast is nothing but at the rate of x coordinate. dy by dt is equal to 8 times dx by dt. Cross multiply that, dt cancel. Now here dy by dx is equal to 8, correct? Now differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. derivative of 6y, 6 constant derivative of y with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to derivative of x cube 3x square, derivative of 2 constant 0. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 3x square divided by 6, that is x square divided by 3 ones are 3 twos are. Now this implies, but dy by dx value 8 is the is equal to x square by 2. Cross multiply, x square is equal to 8 twos are 16. Therefore, x is equal to plus or minus square root of 16 is 4. Now, if x is equal to plus 4, then to find y, equation 1 gives 6 into y is equal to x cube plus 2. X cube value, x value 2, that is x cube, 4 cube plus 2. That is 6y is equal to 4 cube is 64 plus 2. 6y is equal to 66. Divide by 6, y is equal to 66 by 6, that is 11. We got 1 point. Another value, suppose if x is equal to minus 4, no, minus 4, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು root ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಆ root ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ what is the value of y? Equation 1 gives 6 into y is equal to minus 4 cube plus 2. 6 into y is equal to minus 4 cube is minus 64 plus 2. 6y is equal to minus 62. Therefore, y is equal to minus 62 divided by 6, 2 31s are, 2 3s are. We got the points. Hence, there are 2 points. Hence, the points are, what are the points? X is equal to 4 iddaga, what is y value? 11. And x is equal to minus 4, y value is minus 31 by 3. These are the points on the curve 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಒಂದೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 4 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಇದ್ದಾಗ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 11 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, x ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ 4 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮೈನಸ್ 31 by 3. Okay. Last problem in question number 43. Now the question like this: a car starts from a point P at time t is equal to 0 seconds and stops at the point Q. The distance x meters covered by it in time t second is given by x is equal to t square of 2 minus t by 3. Now the question: find the time taken by it to reach the point Q and also find the distance between P and Q. Now here this is P point, this is Q point. Now the car starts from a point P. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಟೈಮ್ ಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 0 ಇದೆ, ಟಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ಸ್ ಆಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬೈ ಗಿವನ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಟಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ 2 minus t by 3. That is given. That is x is equal to, remove that bracket, 2t square minus t square into t cube by 3. Okay. Now here the distance x meters covered by it, distance is x. Now differentiate dx by dt is equal to 2 constant derivative of t square with respect to t, 2t, minus derivative of t cube 3t square divided by 3. So that is dx by dt is equal to 4t minus 3t square by 3. Right? But the car stops at Q. The car stops means velocity becomes 0. Therefore, velocity is equal to 0. Velocity is nothing but rate of change of distance. Distance is denoted by x. That is dx by dt is equal to what? 0. This implies, but dx by dt value 4t minus 3t square by 3 is equal to 0. Simplify, 3 cancel. This implies 4t minus t square is equal to 0. Implies, what is common? T common, or 4t is equal to t square, or t is equal to 4 second. T is equal to 4 second. 1t cancel, divide by t. So t is equal to 4 second. Now here first question, find the time taken to reach at Q. The time taken to reach at Q is 4 second. Now what is the distance between PQ? PQ distance denoted by x. Therefore, distance between the point P and Q is x is equal to, x is the distance, but the value of x is 2t square, 2, t value 4 power 2 minus t cube, t value is 4 to the power of 3 divided by 3, right? Simplify, 4 square 16, 16 2s are 32, 4 cube, 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64 by 3. Take the LCM, LCM is 3, 1 3s are 6, 3 1s are 696 minus 64, how much? That is 32 by 3. So the distance between PQ is 32 by 3 units, that is meters. The distance between the point P and Q is 32 by 3 minutes. Okay, that is the answer. So totally 8 important problems belongs to under question number 43, that is in rate measure. You N2 problem anna practice maadi students. Among those 8 problems, they may be given anyone in final exam 100%. Okay, now question number 43 is over. So correct agi una N2 problems anna practice ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ, ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, then velocity formula, rate of change of displacement in time t, that is known as velocity. Okay, the simple formula ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವನು ಈಸಿಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಸ್ question number 43 in part D, that is comes in rate measure. Now next question number 44 belongs to indefinite integration. There are 6 important results. Among 6, they may be given anyone in final exam again. Question number 44. So we will discuss in next class. Okay students, thank you.